And we're heading to the church with the whole family for the first Sunday of the month. Happy Sunday, everyone! Yeah! So, order natin ay magra-rice kayo? Ay, mong tikman ng bibimbap na.
Ano ba yun?
So, dalawang rice na lang kayo. Tapos yung bibimbap, kami na lang nilo. Yung rice namin, may ano. Sige. Yan yung mga presyo niya. So, ito yung beef. Ayoko ng beef. Tofu bibimbap. Gusto ko ay kimchi. Kimchi bibimbap. Anong drink? Drink? Gusto mo order? O yan top drink ko. Meron silang meron siya. Wala. Soju. Soju gusto mo. Waiting kami. Ihawin. Ooh, burning. Sabi. Yeah.
Dapat ito pinapalitan natin.
Hindi ka.
Palitan mo na yun.
Ubus na agad yung size. Wala pa yung It's still sizzling. Yummy, yummy. That's nice. Beef and pork yan. Yummy. Ooh. Lagyan mo ng ano, ng garlic dahil.
Meron.
Lagyan mo garlic?
Wala lang yung rice.
Ah, yung rice. Wait for the rice eh. What you're asking? After this, we're going home? No, we're not. No, we finished it. We finished it.
Ilawat mo din kami.
Oh, yeah. Where do we go after this? So, we're going to have an afternoon tea and dessert. So, it's like a family date, right? So, thank you, Kuya. Ay, sagot na ni Daddy yung afternoon tea. De, sagot na afternoon tea.
Iyaya mo lang.
Family date. Oh, sagot ni Luke kasi may pera na yan. May ATM na yan. You have allowance, right? For 1 month?